Hey everyone, let's dive right into this quick tutorial on how to log into Discord with a token. First, open your Discord on browser. Press the F12 key on your keyboard. Boom, the Inspect tab opens up automatically. Now click on the Application tab at the top. In the left sidebar, expand Local Storage and click on discord.com or discordapp.com, whichever shows up. After that, scroll down in the main area until you see an empty field row. On the left side, type token, exactly like that. On the right side, paste your Discord token, but make sure it's between double quotes. Hit enter to save it. Close the Inspect tab, then click Ctrl-R to refresh Discord. Boom, you're logged in instantly with that token. And that's it. Like if this helped, subscribe for more Discord tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.